My name is David Cornick. I'm the Global Managing Director for IBM, looking after Tech Data, one of IBM's largest global distributors. Distribution, like IBM and like many other vendors, is going through huge transformation this time. We're all gearing up for the cloud agenda, the analytics, mobility, any of those new buzzwords you hear about. We're trying to bring those solutions to resellers in order to get to market. So a huge amount of effort into enablement, but it's enablement across multiple platforms. And when you get into that space, you start to challenge some of the traditional go-to-market approaches of point product buying through to solutions buying. And that's creating some interesting opportunities, but also a lot of challenges around skills and enablement. Yeah, so they spend a lot of investment and time looking at how cloud, on-premise or off-premise or hybrid clouds will be bought by their clients and their resellers. And what we're finding is customers are looking for solutions. So it's typically looking like it's multi-vendor. So they've been working very hard on our cloud marketplace, which will be multi-vendor, looking at the onboarding, aggregating, billing, provisioning, invoicing capabilities, with a view to providing things like single coterminous dates for one client across multiple offerings on a cloud solution. And that's a challenge, a lot of APIs to be written, a lot of connections to be done. So quite a shift in terms of their enablement approach and policies, but this is going to be a global approach from them using Stream 1 across all their marketplaces, multi-vendor. Yeah, I mean, I think working with MSPs over the last few years, we've seen the conversation change. You know, originally we might have thought it was a hardware-only conversation. Far from it. It's really about service levels, it's about solutions, and it's about how do I manage the environment better. So the MSPs we've been talking to are very interested in anything that takes that sort of back office work away and enables them to spend more time talking to clients about service, about offerings, about workloads. So they're very interested. The conversation probably didn't start where we thought it was, but it evolves into a much more pragmatic, solutions-oriented conversation. And it depends again on the size of the MSP. Medium size versus large size, they've got different views and different go-to-markets. I think distribution is evolving considerably. You know, if you look rather like IBM, we used to be in a hardware, software, services mode, and now we're doing this cloud analytics mobility. Distribution has got the same challenge, actually. They work very much by vendor, but the clients are buying solutions. So they're challenging themselves to get solutions cross-vendor together as they sit in front of their resellers. That's creating some interesting challenges in skills, management systems, leadership, because you've got to understand how to bring solutions together rather than point products. So it's evolving. I think there's a long way to go on this journey still. I don't think the last chapter is written yet. I think we're going to see multiple twists and turns as we go. But I'm clearly seeing the investment coming from those distributors, knowing they've got to get to there and how they're going about it. They're investing in different things and different solutions.